Now I have put on the straps, let's see how it looks. This is the original length, which is quite long. You can see that if I wear it on one shoulder, it almost touches my thigh. It's kind of long even for crossbody, you can see that it's below my waist area. I personally don't like this length, it's a bit too long and I think it makes me look shorter. My favorite way to carry this bag is crossbody, so there are a few ways that you can shorten the strap. Because the strap is made of canvas, so it's quite soft and very easy to tie. What I normally do is I just wrap it around 2 times and then basically make a knot like this. So you would just pull one side out and then make it look nicer. The only thing you need to pay attention to is to put the knotted side on the right and then the other side to the left. So there you go. It's much shorter now and you can wear it at one shoulder like this. I like this length and then I think it's a perfect length for crossbody. It's right at my waist. It's also very convenient to access things from the bag. Now let me show you my second favorite way. If you think the first way of tying a knot doesn't look very good, then you can find something like this. And then basically you just loop through your straps and then put it on one side. And then put both of the clips on the same side. And then tidy up the shoulder straps a little bit and then there you have it. So I really like this length for one shoulder. It's quite comfortable to wear it this way and this is also one of my favorite ways to carry this bag. You can also use straps you already have. For example, I have a Hermes Twilly. It doesn't have to be Hermes, like any kind of Twillys that you have would work. So basically you can just tie 2 knots on both sides just to make sure that it's tight enough so it will not fall off. Then there you go. It looks quite nice too. I like to wear it on one shoulder. It's a nice length. It also adds some color to the bag. And you can pick different Twillys to match your outfit. And it will give your bag a different look. I also have a chain like this, which looks quite nice on this bag too. I also like to wear it on one shoulder. It looks nice with dressier outfit. You can also make the chain shorter by clipping both ends on the same side. Then you can wear it like this or wear it as an underarm bag. I also have this wide canvas strap, which I think would look quite nice with this bag. Let's see. Let's put it on. This would look more casual. I like to wear it on one shoulder, or let me try if I can crossbody it. This would look nice with sporty casual outfit. I also have this pearl chain that I think looks quite nice on this bag. So it's actually a handbag handle, but you can basically use it as a short strap, which looks quite nice and feminine. Or you can just put the pearls down and use it as decoration, and then still use your original shoulder straps. This looks more girly, and I think it gives the bag a totally different style. Overall, I find this bag really versatile and practical. It can be very casual or dress up by changing the straps and charms. It's also quite comfortable to wear on the shoulder because of the wide strap. It's a light bag but with large capacity. If you haven't already, you can check out my last video where I showed how much can fit in this bag. If you're new to Hermes, I highly recommend this bag. I hope this was helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.